Okay, now BIM requirements have been appearing in RFPs for several years, so there's a lot of examples of good and frankly of bad practice. Here's my first example. BIM is required on this project to create construction documents. All construction teams shall use the same BIM model. Okay, so what's wrong with this? This is an example of what we might call the generic BIM project scope. There's a certain irony here because some RFPs with generic scopes for BIM frequently include elaborate detail on virtually every other topic. But for some reason, when it comes to BIM, the RFP gets really vague. Given this requirement, virtually nothing is clear. For example, is the model nothing more than just a 3D spatial model? Does the model contain any intelligent building elements, for example, walls or doors or windows or HVAC components and so forth? Can and will the model be used for project estimation? Is the contractor required to update the model to match the project as built? The generic scope leaves all these concerns up in the air. And in this case, you're likely to get what you ask for, and in this case, you won't get much. Generic BIM scopes represent a huge missed opportunity for developers and ultimately for a building owner because they'll likely miss out on the majority of benefits BIM can provide.